How to set up UV printer by DTF Printer USA. Press the main power button located at the back of the printer to turn it on. Let the machine heat up and wait until the temperature changes on the display. It should reach around 100 degrees. Wait for the fill rolls to move and make sure they are feeding correctly. While the printer is heating up, install the RIP software on your computer. RIP software prepares your image in a format the UV printer can understand. It controls print order, white ink layers, resolution, and print size. Turn the white ink cycle adjustment knob to 50 and wait 5 minutes. This allows the ink system to stabilize. Press the cleaning button once to begin the cleaning process. After it finishes, press it again to repeat the cleaning one more time. That's it! Your UV DTF printer is now fully ready to start printing.